YouTube? It's your boy Slank. Back at it again. I'm heading out to Newcastle, Oklahoma to get some more footage. Got some other stuff going on with the truck. About to take a look at it and see what's going on. Just now, new to the channel. Share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all gonna be on this journey with me, and I appreciate every last one of y'all for watching it. But I'm new with this, so y'all just bear with me. But I got an 04 Chevy Suburban, man, on some Ace, getting some work done. Just remember this: when you put money into a truck, you always gonna run into problems. Problems. It's always something. My alarm I had on there, he said it's like, oh, I've been having it for years, a remote start I had, but he said it's old and cleaning all these wires up underneath there, and he was like, hey man, this is bad. We need to replace it. So I'm about to see what I'm about to spend now on a new remote start alarm. So it's all good though, man. That's what come with it. You want your shit done right. You don't want to cut corners. You want your shit done legit. This dude's legit, man. He's some good peoples, and I fuck with him. I fuck with him real tough. So I trust him. It's gonna be a long project though, man, but it is what it is, man. The interior, that shit take time, man. You can't snap your finger and expect the shit to be done in 2 weeks. So it's gonna be a couple months on this build, but y'all gonna be on this journey with me, and I appreciate every last one of y'all for watching the channel and bear with me. But I'm excited about the build, man. I'm excited. Man, I just pulled up to the house, man, at my little audio installer guy. This truck was sitting here, man. It's a nice ass truck, man. This is nice. GMC. It's got some nice stuff on it, man. It's pretty good. He doing some lights on that boat they got back there, man, but it's pretty nice, man. I like it. It's got a wrap on it. It's a crazy wrap. GMC Denali. It's pretty sweet. It's a nice truck. It's got some nice rims on it. It's a big exhaust on it though. But yeah, it's a nice wrap. Yeah, I don't touch people's cars because I don't like people touching my car, because my truck, when I got a wrap on it, so I try not to touch people's vehicles, man. It's pretty sweet, man. I like it. Installer got stuff right here. This is his Mustang, man. It's pretty sweet. Pretty sweet, huh? It's pretty nice. 5.0, hey, don't play with it. It's a sleeper too. Pull up, you might get smoked. It's pretty nice. I like it. That's a nice car. I'm here, back over here looking at my truck. Just got through talking a little business with my audio dude, man, and we came up with something. So y'all tell me what y'all think about it, and y'all just write a comment down there and let me know what you think. So we're thinking about putting Lambo doors on this mug on both sides. And we was talking about the airbags on it, so we're gonna put some bags on it, lower it when I hit the remote start, or when I hit the alarm it lowers, and then when I hit the remote start it raises back up at fine level. Y'all tell me what y'all think about that, man. He's gonna go ahead and get the kit for the airbags and go in and get the kit for the Lambo doors on it. So it's just something stupid, man. I'm playing with it, man. I'm out here playing with this truck. This is my toy, and I'm playing around with it. Might as well, because, you know, I want to see what these shows going to do. I think I can win some in these shows, because how many Suburbans y'all know that's wrapped in carbon fiber sitting on 28? Because usually cars is usually, you know, Suburbans are sitting on some rims and that's about it. I'm doing little detail stuff. All the wiring, all this wiring in here, oh, it's going to be crazy. It's going to be perfect. This wall we're going to have here for them 415s, it's going to be stupid. Yeah, y'all see it, man. Got the underglow underneath. You know what I mean? Got that started. Got the carpet in here. Got the carpet in here. Yeah. Y'all see that? See, man, he's redoing all that stuff underneath there, man. Look at that.
Big old 0 gauge. Runs all the way up. Positive side of the battery comes back here. I'm gonna put this battery is gonna be mounted back here behind this wall. Big old 300 amp circuit breaker back here. 2 options. That's what we got to talk about. Either way, it's gonna be killer.
Okay.
We do a half wall. That's what I'm gonna call it. A half wall. 4 subs firing up. Amps either on this side or amps on this side. If we put everything down, firing up, we lose the 3rd row. After measuring, I think it'll be tight, but I really believe that you'd be able to put the 3rd row in if we do a wall.
All right. Okay.
So I'm down for trying either way. Even if I have to put stuff in here and test fit, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna have access to that box. Man, I played with the lights under your hood. Let me just show you. This is the best thing that I came up with, trying to hide this big ass bar, which was not trying to like blind you with LED lights and give a glow. It's got a cool glow. I'm checking out the motor. This one shines the whole grill down. So when you get this light to dancing, this lights up the whole grill. Then you got the whole underneath here. And once we get the wheel wells going,
it's a lot of work putting into this truck, man. It's a lot of money going into this truck too. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. You know what I mean? I'm still out here, man. I'm about to go ahead and got a little fly on me. Finna go ahead and go to the house and relax. I gotta go to work tomorrow morning, so it is what it is. I just want to touch base with y'all, man, and holler at y'all and let y'all know what was going on, let y'all see what's going on. And hey, there's my box. That's my box right there. But y'all let me know. I'll get up with y'all. Yeah.